According to the legend, 3 to 4,000 years ago, Prince Lang Lieu made round and square cakes. The round day cake, symbolizing the sky, and the square Chung Cake, symbolizing the earth. Under the ancient Vietnamese perception, to be offered to the occasion of spring. In the ancient conception, the earth is square, hence Chung Cake shape is square too, to reflect the earth's shape. Since the cake he offered were of the special meaning and delicious taste, Lang Lieu was selected to be the next emperor. Since then, in the honor of the 18th prince, Vietnamese people always make and have Chung Cake in the Lunar New Year. So, here we go. My parents are making Chung Cake right now, and I show you what do we need to do in order to make this kind of cake. Here it is. It is the sticky rice, and then we need the green bean, and next here is it is onion and ginger, and here very important ingredient, that is pork meat. And see that making this kind of cake is quite time consuming because you have to spend quite a lot of time preparing different things from the rice and ingredients, the list. It takes time. You need to prepare the ingredients the previous day, and the day later you will make the Chung Cake. And you may wonder, why do we just buy it from the market or supermarket? Why should we do it ourselves? Completely can buy it from the market. However, for Vietnamese people, Lunar New Year is the most important festival of the year, and just the chance for family members to reunite after a year. Then making Chung Cake at home seems to be a kind of a special occasion, so that all family members can gather together, and while preparing this kind of cake, they spend time chatting, talking about the year, what they have done within the year. After like 3 hours, we get the result like this. Then now it's time for us to cook. We will cook this cake for like between 8 to 12 hours by good. It's me. I'm taking care of the pot, the Chung Cake pot. We need to cook it for long hours. The longer we cook, the better quality the cake become soft, and it can keep for many days. Like you can keep it even for a month in this cold weather in the north of Vietnam. No matter we are poor or rich, no matter we are living in a big city or in the countryside, in each on Tet holiday, we will worship our ancestors like this. And don't forget to try the Chung Cake if you have chance. when you visit Vietnam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.